Okay, first things first. There are a number of different fixing systems for Venetian blinds. These are the most common ones. Now, each one of them works differently. This one works by pushing in. This one works by the little arm turning in. This one works by this section pulling out and releasing the blind. So if you have a blind clipped in place, to get it out with the first system, you need to push and roll backwards. Push, roll, backwards. The second system, with the arms, you need to release the arms and the blind will come out. The next system, now you're going to require a screwdriver for this one. Put the screwdriver up in the little slot here, pull out, roll the blind down. And the same for the next one. Pull out and roll the blind down. With each of these, it's different to refit them. This one is push in and it clicks back in place. This one is push in, lift it up, push the arms, it's back in. This one is push in and then you lift up and pull out at the same time. And they are the main fixing systems for Venetian blinds.